Welcome to the Artisan Origins Luxury Furniture Channel. We're redefining American luxury manufacturing. This automated gantry system allows us to optimize the flow of materials, ensuring the highest quality wood is selected for each project.
To preserve the wood, the humidity is kept at 65% and the temperature at a steady 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Specifications. This 3D laser system scans the unique grain pattern of each log. Our AI then uses this data
Using 16 wavelengths, the hyperspectral camera reveals internal stress points and hidden defects in the wood, invisible to the human eye.
Utilizing synchronized automation, the system precisely sorts premium figured sections.
The initial moisture reading is complete.
Good. Let's verify the structural density on the SEM before logging the results.
This 5-stage system is unique. The high-pressure jets remove the bark while meticulously preserving the natural.
In the second stage, the pressurized steam penetrates the wood, relaxing the fibers and releasing up to 15% of internal stresses.
The high-pressure air knives blast away the moisture, ensuring every log is perfectly conditioned for the primary milling phase ahead.
This is where we begin the from log to luxury lumber phase. At Tinrokap.
Industrial strength. The new LS5000 features 20 horsepower and laser-guided precision.
This 48-inch wide planer represents the peak of American milling technology, ensuring precision thickness.
you can see by the gauge, this massive kiln handles up to 5,000 board feet. The digital controls precisely manage the moisture reduction process.
Inheritance. Our philosophy blends traditional American proportions with cutting-edge modern engineering. This allows for unparalleled
Where technology meets tradition threads, CNC provides precision foundation, human hands provide soul.
We use a precise 7-stage process. 3 coats of sanding sealer, 2 coats of catallurgian varnish, automation ensures perfect hardware alignment and torque specifications every time. 0 human error. With programmable automation across these 5 lines, we achieve unparalleled flexibility in American furniture manufacturing. This is the future of quality control. Our AI-powered system conducts a 31-point inspection, utilizing advanced
Automated finish durability testing utilizes a robotic liquid handling system for precise volume control. The colorimeter
Legion. The Kärcher RoboCleaner RC3000 uses microfiber pads and ionized air nozzles.
Automated packaging engineering ensures perfect protection for every unique furniture piece.
The UR10E utilizes advanced vision guidance to apply the breathable cotton blanket, ensuring precise tension control and protection.
Utilizing the HP Indigo 12000, we print comprehensive care guides directly from our database, then bind them automatically with the Duplo.
Vince. Our automated white glove delivery coordination ensures precision. These in robotic lift gates
Seeing it like this, I have complete confidence in the scale.
Absolutely. The walnut is exquisite. It's exactly what we wanted.
Scanning complete. Assembly guidance. Step 1. Adjust clockwise until level achieved. Installation verified.
GPS-tagged reforestation using drones ensures 3 trees planted for every tree harvested, all tracked digitally.
Utilizing LiDAR and precise GPS coordination, the drone seed system plants walnut saplings at 400.
This table has seen so many memories. It's connecting us, past and future.
Our automated data collection creates full accountability. As you can see, we support unhunyan.
And verified. 100% American materials, 100% American labor, fully compliant with federal trade.
Alexa, raise the desk to standing height.
Wow, that is really cool.
confidence. The quality of the work here is unmatched, and being able to leave my feedback right here on the tablet was incredibly easy.
Okay, let's compare these three. The aesthetic appeal on this bionic structure is outstanding.
Agreed. The material optimization is exactly what we needed.
What you see behind me is the future of craftsmanship. We've combined the best of human design with robotic precision to create something truly exceptional.
Honey, this dinner is absolutely incredible.
I agree. You've outdone yourself.